Bright sunny morning to all my dear students. I hope you have celebrated Independence Day with all enthusiasm and you have watched the video, The Importance of Being an Indian. So dear students, in the last class we discussed about few of the vital internal organs, to name heart, kidney, small intestine, stomach and brain. I hope you have got all the information and you will get the questions for that and you need to solve it. So in today's class we are going to discuss about one of the important organ system, that is human respiratory system. So let's see what and all we discuss in this topic. Human respiratory system. So for the first, let us discuss what is respiration and what is respiratory system. So respiration is breaking down of food molecules by using oxygen into simpler and more simpler form. It's called respiration. In other terms we can say that is inhalation and exhalation of the gases is also known as respiration, but the scientific term or the scientific definition is breaking down of food particles by using oxygen is known as respiration. So let's write that. What is respiration? Okay, can be defined as breaking off food molecules, that is glucose, by using oxygen. Is known as respiration. Right? So in next higher classes we will come to know that what is aerobic respiration or anaerobic respiration and so on. Okay? For time being, just remember what is respiration. It can be defined as breaking of the food molecules as a glucose by using oxygen is known as respiration. Next, what is respiratory system? Human body is designed in such a way that every functions are carried by a set of organs, and that set of organs will call as organ system. And one such type of very important organ system in our body is respiratory system, which includes nose, windpipe or trachea it is also called as, and lungs. These three organs, they involve in respiratory system. First, the air enters through the nose and then it is passed on to the windpipe and then it is taken into the lungs, the spongy, cone-shaped lungs. There exact exchange of gases takes place. I'll explain you in detail with the diagram. So what is respiratory system? What are all the organs involved? Nose, windpipe and lungs. Is it clear now? We discussed about respiration and respiratory system. So let us study the next, what is inhaled air and exhaled air. So now let us study what is inhaled air and exhaled air. So inhaled air. So the air, when it enters into the nose, it is a mixture of gases. Mixture with different gases, they enter into the air. So what we can define for inhaled air is the air which is rich in, which is rich in oxygen, okay, is known as inhaled air. Is it clear? I'll repeat. What is inhaled air? Inhaled means the air which is getting inside our respiratory system. Okay? The air which is rich in oxygen is known as inhaled air. Of course, when we inhale, when we take air from the atmosphere, it contains the mixture of gases or different gases enter. Among that, if there is rich more oxygen molecules, okay, and that type of air is known as inhaled air. And what is exhaled air? Of course, when we take inside, after a few seconds we have to give out, isn't it? So the air which is rich in carbon dioxide, okay, which is rich in carbon dioxide is known as exhaled air. Is it clear? What is exhaled air? When we take inside air, after few seconds, okay, we have to give out the air. The air which is rich in carbon dioxide is known as exhaled air, and that is expelled out. Exhale means giving out. Inhale means taking in. Is it clear? So dear students, let us make it clear. Inhale means intake of air, that is the oxygen, and exhale means giving out of carbon dioxide. So I hope this point is clear now. What is inhaled air and exhaled air? Now let us see what is breathing, inhalation and exhalation. Is it clear? Now let us see that what is breathing. So breathing can be defined as taking in of oxygen and giving out of carbon dioxide is known as breathing. Now you have understood the difference between the respiration and breathing, I think. Breathing is taking in of oxygen. We are taking in of oxygen, okay, and giving out of carbon dioxide, and that is what we call it as breathing. So what is inhalation? Inhaled air, the air which is rich in oxygen. Exhaled air, the air which is rich in carbon dioxide. Then what is inhalation? Breathing in of oxygen, breathing in of oxygen, okay, is known as inhalation. Is it clear now? Just vice versa of that. Breathing out of carbon dioxide is known as exhalation. Is it clear? These are the key words you have to remember. Okay? Let me explain you once again. What is breathing? Taking in of oxygen and giving out of carbon dioxide. That is known as breathing. So what is inhalation? Only breathing in of oxygen is known as inhalation. What is exhalation? Breathing out of carbon dioxide is known as exhalation. So all the scientific terms are very simple. The thing is you have to understand the key words what it is used. And while answering, don't mug up the answer. Instead, understand the question and then answer. So dear students, in today's class we discussed what is respiration, what is respiratory system, inhale air, exhale air, breathing, inhalation and exhalation. The definitions are quite easy. The thing is you have to sit tight at home, open the textbook, while watching the video, go through the textbook and you will be getting some questions. Meet you in my next video. Thank you.